Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ExplainCAD. Today's our topic is line command. First of all, select plane or sketch. So I select front plane. Here three options for selecting line command. First is select line from command bar, or second is you can press L from your keyboard, and third option is press and hold right click of mouse and drag mouse in left direction. Now our line command is open. Here property manager is also open. It shows line properties as sketched. Mainly we use line command as sketched. So just draw a sketch. As we draw sketch, line goes to left to right. Here a symbol represents this line is going to horizontal direction. Same in vertical direction, symbol represents our line is going vertical. Okay. For exit line command, press right click and select option. We can also draw lines at any angle. Just draw line. We can also draw other shapes from line. If we want this line make vertical, then select this line. Either you can use this symbol make vertical, or from here vertical. Now it becomes vertical. If we draw line and just click here and move and hold cursor here, and it becomes into arc. This one. Then again it will become a line. Right click, select. Now we can give it some dimensions from smart dimension. 50 mm. For arc we give it radius 20 mm. Okay. For giving angular dimension, just click this line and this line, give angle 50 degree. Okay. This one 40 degree. 50 degree, 50 mm. 30 mm. 30 mm. 60 mm. 120 mm. 50 mm. This one. Set this line. This line. Okay. In line command, next option is Centerline. Centerline does not take part in 3D model, but it used for reference identity. We can also convert center line into line. Select this line and select this option construction geometry. Now our center line converts into line command. Same way we can also convert line into center line. Click on line, select construction geometry. Here in line command, third option is midpoint line. Select line. In midpoint line drawn both sides equally. Smart dimension. Distance from both ends to midpoint is equal. This is midpoint line. Thanks for watching.